So you want to become a SQL programmer fast and make money as fast as possible? Well, you reached the right video. Let me explain. This video was brought to you by DigiLink Academy, your #1 source to learn programming fast and get to that 6-figure salary you desire. Our academy have a wide range of courses, including our 30-day developer launchpad, our programmer interview course, also our mentorship program, and much more. When you sign up for our free community, you get access to like-minded professional developers who want to take your career to the next level, and will provide you with access to all the resources that our academy can provide. So let's take the next step and sign up for our 7-step free programming guide to really start to take your career to the next level. So let's click the link below to get started. I'll see you guys in the guide. Alright guys, let's jump right into it so we can get you on your path to becoming a SQL developer. Well, first thing you want to start doing, let's evaluate your current projects. Do you have projects? Are you working on projects? What projects have you done in the past that's really going to showcase your skill level inside of SQL? We need to start getting you some projects. If you haven't gotten any projects, then we need to start getting you projects. First of all, sign up for the 7-step guide so that we can start looking at your current situation and get you projects. Second of all, if you currently have some projects, what impact these projects had in the past. I know a lot of times my first project was a SSRS report. If you guys don't know what SSRS is, it's SQL Studio Reporting. I don't know the acronym, but it's actually Microsoft version of reporting. And you guys may think, right, I want to be a developer, not a analyst. Well, at the end of the day, guys, you have to create objects inside of your SQL database that's going to provide data to this application via Power BI, SSRS, Tableau, and then you create these stored procedures and you provide reports. The good thing about this, guys, the only difference between this and actual programming is what program you're providing this data set or this data to. For a analyst, which a lot of times they use Power BI, SSRS, they do that full time. As a developer, especially for mid and small size companies, you're gonna have to do some level of reporting. And the good thing about this, you get to learn the data model, you get to learn the industry, you get to learn the layout of what they need, everything. And not only that you're learning this, it transitions so well into the development phase because you're doing the exact same thing. Only thing you're really doing different is, just say if you're using web app, JavaScript, you need to provide data to the front end of your custom web app. Guess what you're gonna do? Create a stored procedure or a function that's gonna provide that data. The exact same that you would do for a Tableau report. The only difference is if they decide they wanna edit that data in that data set, you would provide not only a select statement to bring it, but update statement to update the database. But the exact same process. A lot of people don't think about it this way, guys. A lot of you software developers are you come in and overcomplicate the situation. Let's get those small wins that's going to really help you become a developer. You can become a developer today with only select statements. I did mostly select statements probably my first year and a half of being a SQL developer, and I brought tremendous value to this company, and it allowed them to get to know me more. I was safely doing reporting, and then we transition that over to bigger and better projects. Guys, this is the best way you can get your foot in the door. Let me tell you some other aspects of this. A lot of the Python developers, Java developers, C# developers, they have no knowledge of SQL. The only knowledge they have is, let me actually point this to the database and somebody else help me provide data to the application. Especially you MVC programmers, come on guys, you got to know your model and be able to effectively update and bring data from the database. In 2020 and beyond, I can't find too many apps that's not going to leverage a database in some form or fashion, or data specifically in some form or fashion. So let's get the advantage over the competitors and learn the SQL that's going to help you regardless of where you go. Any city, any state, any organization, they all have data. They all have a CRM, central management system, that probably have a database behind it that they need to be able to access this data, modify this data, and all this stuff. So becoming a developer developer fast, the strategy here, guys, agile way of being able to do this fast is, first of all, let's get some projects under your belt. Second of all, let's take those projects and transition it to solving problems for a client. And the first way we're gonna solve problems are through reports, select statements. This is gonna get you those quick, easy wins. This is gonna build your confidence level up. This is gonna allow you to put stuff on your resume so that you can stand out from the competition. And also you can use this to transition to other programming languages if you need. So many benefits, guys, and it's so easy. And that's why a lot of you guys just don't step back and just really utilize this strategy. A lot of time you boot camp developers. You go into the boot camps, you learn. You never do projects that's going to translate into showcasing your value to a company directly. Yeah, you do a little stuff, the calculator app, hello world, all that little stuff is cute. And don't get me wrong, I do see a place for that, but we're in 2020, guys. The basic web app, general stuff, expectations are higher. We need you to get your skills up to the point to where this company is going to take you serious, going to look at your resume and like, oh man, we got to bring that guy, that girl in. They know exactly what they're talking about. We can leverage them pretty quickly. They know what our needs are. Let's get them in. That's how you get jobs without even competing with them. That's how you get jobs. You're going to go into a job. They already know they're going to hire you. They just want to let you confirm what you already saw on your resume. That's when you in that top 20%, those high value developers, that's when you know you're going to get a job. Let's jump to the guy. When you're a high value developer, the job interview process is so different than the low end or the non-developers, because the non-developers coming in thinking, oh man, hope they hire me. I hope I get the job. I hope I don't screw up. High-end developers, they coming in. We already know what they need, how they need it, when they need it, what we can do to hit the ground running. So it's just a matter of getting to know the people, making sure it's a good fit. And the question of can you do it is not even a question. It's more of like, are you a good fit culturally? And it makes the interview process so much easier. It brings so much confidence to you guys. And I want you guys to have that same feeling when you go into an interview. And this is the best way to do it. Best way to build confidence is through building projects. And the bigger the project, the more confidence you're gonna have, the more value you're gonna have, and that's gonna put you on the road to be a high value developer. If you haven't already, guys, go check out that 7-step guide. It's gonna really put you in a position free to become a high value developer and put you on the right track, get your mindset right, and also take things to the next level for you. If you already signed up for the 7-step guide, go check out some of my premium courses, guys. I got that 30-day programming guide that's really gonna launchpad your career to the next level. Also got a lot of career courses and also Python if you into that also from a projects perspective. So go ahead and check that out and support the channel, and it's gonna help take things to the next level. That being said, guys, I know we covered a lot in this video, so I want to take a step back and say you have made the right first step to clicking on my video. That's great. Now we got to get you in a position to come up with your plan that's specific to your needs, your goals, and really gonna position yourself for success. I am trying to find the best way to create a custom experience for each of you guys, because I can come on here and do like other programmers or YouTubers, just give a generic learning agenda, and it'll be good. Don't get me wrong, it's gonna be one of the top, if not the tops in the industry, but I want to take it beyond that and create a custom plan for you guys in a way that is gonna fit your needs from a professional standpoint and a personal standpoint. I want you guys to be able to have confidence when you go into these well, first of all, make sure programming is for you and get your expectations in order on why you're doing this. And then once you're going in for the interview, make sure you have all the tools and resources that are going to allow you to be the top candidate and build that confidence. And even if you don't get a job, you know why you didn't get a job. You know, hey, from a culture standpoint, it's not going to work. Maybe the hours, whatever, it's not going to be because I can't do the job, or I didn't showcase my skills or my confidence. I can help you with those. But all the other stuff, we definitely want to position you for success and make sure you are on the road to success, guys. If you haven't already, if you agree with the content and you want to share your opinion, comment below. If you disagree with me and you feel like you want to explain your specific experience, also comment below, because I want to start that diagram back and forth. I want to be able to create content that's geared towards my audience and make sure it resonates for you guys. And we're going to always be advancing your career. I don't want this to just be a basic channel based off of, hey, you're going to learn how to code and this is all. We're going to have some fun over here, guys. We're going to take care of business, make sure we work hard and take care of business, and we're going to go over here and play hard too. So you're going to see some lifestyle stuff, day in the life of a programmer, all that stuff. I'm going to put it out there for you guys, and you can actually see the growth, guys. You're going to see me do a lot of stuff, really get my career to that next level and showcase it to you guys, and you get to see that real time. So if I fail, I'm going to share it with you guys. So if you haven't already, like, subscribe to the content. If you have additional questions, comment below. I'll put my link to my 7-step free guide here. Go ahead and sign up for that. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.